guys, it's Chu here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Samsung Galaxy S10 faster, and that's in regards to being able to navigate around on your Android Pie One UI interface much faster. And by doing these tweaks and setting changes, it will allow you to enhance your experience on your Samsung Galaxy S10. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So you have to reduce the animation, and you do this by going to settings and then going to advanced features, and then we have to have reduced animation as on, and as you can see I have it on at the moment now. So as you can see, when you open apps there's a pop-up, and when you minimize it, you see the animation when it minimizes. So when we go settings, you can see it pop up, and we could go to Chrome as well, and that pops up as well. So with the reduced animation turned on, you can see how quickly I'm opening my apps right now. Like opening YouTube, my Chrome, my settings, and just navigating around with the animation reduced. And my Instagram if you want to check that out. The second tip is you can turn off animation, and this is ridiculously super fast. So what you need to do is go to settings, then under accessibility, visibility enhancement, and then under remove animation we turn it on. And now when we open any apps on the Galaxy S10, everything's opening instantly. It's just so quickly, ridiculously fast. But my preference, I prefer it to have reduced animation to make it easier on your eyes really. So there's an optimization function on your Galaxy devices. So under settings we go to device care, and this is one of the apps I use on Samsung, and it really helps a lot on my phone. When my phone ever gets to slow down, I usually just do this because you can clear up storage space, and it can close background apps, and it helps optimize your phone. And you can also set auto optimize using this as well, and you can set it on a specific time every day to do this. So I'll just set it to, it was at 3 AM, but I'm going to set it to 12 AM now. And 99% of the time working in IT, restarting the PC and server fixes it. And so in this case we are using the auto restart on a device care, and I'm setting the time to I've set it to 12 AM on Tuesday because I work shifts and I'm usually off on Tuesday. And as you can see, my device says it's 100% and it's excellent now. So this is a great functionality which I find is good on the Galaxy devices because it helps maintain the health of your device.